today I'm going to show you how to make this amazing party pooper. You can use it in anything, in New Year's Eve, Christmas, your birthday, anything. So this is how it works. So I showed you how it works. Now I will teach you how to make it. You'll just need a few things: a paper cup, a balloon, some tape and scissors. With the scissors, cut the end of the paper cup. So I'm cutting this and make sure it is equal. Now with the balloon, cut the top of the balloon. Then carefully stretch it onto the paper cup. So I cutted the balloon and put it on top of the paper cup. Now using the tape, put it on the balloon and the paper cup. So you put it on like this. It should be on the balloon and the paper cup. So I put a tape on, and now I'm putting these, you could put confetti, but if you don't have confetti, you could put these sequences. I'm doing heart and these leaves, balloons, and these things. So make sure to hold it from the bottom so they don't fall out. So I put them all in, and now, so stretch at the bottom and done. So you could decorate it like I decorated this one. You could do the same. And yeah, you could use this party pooper on your birthday, on parties, New Year, Christmas, Eid, whatever you celebrate. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please like, subscribe and share. Bye!